Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I am here to discuss with you chapter 7 of grade 1 that is named as Notepad and WordPad. Notepad and WordPad are basically two computer softwares that are used to type letters and numbers on the computer screen. First we will discuss about Notepad. To start a Notepad on computer screen, we have to follow these steps. First of all, click the start button, all programs, accessories, and then Notepad. This is the main screen of Notepad software that is given on the right side of the slide. You guys can start typing in the white area directly. Here is a cursor that shows the position of your text. A cursor is actually a small blinking line on the monitor screen which shows the position of the text. We have learned about cursor in our previous chapter as well, chapter 5, computer mouse. The cursor which shows our position on the computer screen, the position of our writing on the computer screen. So you can start typing directly with the help of this cursor, and there is another way. You have to click the File tab, New option to create a new document in Notepad window. Here is an activity for you. You have to do this activity that is given on page number 61 of your textbook, figure 7.3, that is having a story of hungry wolf. You guys have to type the story as it is given in your book by using your laptop and computers. The features of Notepad. Features are actually the properties and attributes of Notepad. There are two attributes which are discussed in your chapter. The first one is word wrap and the second one is font. Word wrap. What is word wrap? The word wrap feature in Notepad enables a word to move to the next line automatically. It means when we are going to write something in Notepad window, then at specific margin, our line and our word is automatically going to shift to the next line. जो भी आप Notepad पे लिखते हैं वो एक specific margin के बाद next line पे shift कर जाता है. This is the word wrap property. And you can see by clicking the format button, there is a tick in front of the word wrap option. That means this option is already checked, and whenever you are going to write something in Notepad window, your word is automatically going to be shifted to the next line. But if you uncheck this option, अगर आप इस option को uncheck करते हैं, then what will happen? Click the format button and deselect the word wrap option. Then you can see there is only a single line on the given picture. The word wrap option is not selected. When the word wrap option is not selected, your content is in a single line. And then a horizontal scroll bar will appear on the screen, which will help you to move your screen to the right and the left side to see the full content of your writing. There are two pictures on the screen. The first one is having the word wrap option and the second one without word wrap option. In first picture, you can see the content is in the form of paragraph, but in the second one, the whole content and whole writing you can say is in a single line. There is no concept of multiple lines. आपका word content जो है वो next line पे shift नहीं होता, वो एक ही line में without moving going to the next line वो एक ही line में लिखा जाता है. Font. Font refers to the designing of your text. In Notepad, you can also change the font of your text. The font is the second feature of Notepad and it is actually given below the word wrap option. Select the font option in the format menu. The font dialog box will appear. Select a font that you like. There are two properties actually associated with the font feature: font style and font size. These two properties are given in this dialog box, you can see, and you can select different option of font style and font size as well to change the different appearance to your text. Saving text in Notepad. How we can actually save our document in Notepad? There are 2 to 3 steps. First one, you have to click the File tab and then Save As option. The Save As dialog box will appear on the screen. Select the drive and the folder. The drive and the folders are actually path where you have to save your file. जहाँ पे आपने अपनी फाइल को सेव करना है. These are the path. The second one, type the name of the file. We have to give the name of our file. And at the last, just click the save button. Your file will be saved. That's it. Thank you.